120 balls here on a difficult pitch, it must be said, here in Mirpur, the national stadium here, Mirpur in Dhaka. Oh, that's got the shot! That's got to be really close! Oh, my dearie! Oh, they can't believe that's out. Why? Well, I thought that is just plumb. Oh, and there's another shout. Did he hit that? He has it! Oh, that's the start the Pakistanis wanted. Wow, that's all happening here, VVS.
A big wicket for Pakistan. Rohit Sharma, the man in form. But what a start by Mohammad Amir. Rohit Sharma got out without opening his account.
Now Virat Kohli